You should have picked up the vacuum.
And then, okay, next part.
Deox. Okay. This. Kylie booty. Hands. You're gonna have to wash my car on the outside again.
Huh?
You're gonna have to wash the outside of my car again. You didn't show the washcloth in the Windex. Oh no. Wait, show the soap. No, come closer so they know it's oil soap. Dawn never called us or anything.
That's actually really scary. Sorry. I'd probably like start crying. But why don't we like? We're just gonna like. Maybe we shouldn't get like me like actually clean.
What do you mean?
Actually, I don't know. We're just gonna like fast forward it.
Avi.
I'm just knocking through your windows.
Looks so bad.
Really?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah. There's gonna be so many marks.
Like
No.
it looks really bad that I'm washing it.
No. I mean, my car looks bad.
I'm just gonna pretend I'm washing it over here, okay?
Okay. Oh no.
Trying so hard not to be
Oh. That smells so weird. Bubbles! Do you see all those bubbles coming off? That's crazy.
Look at your driveway.
I know. Hurry up, because it's about to die.
At least your car's gonna be shiny. I mean, clean. Like extra clean.
Doubly the clean. It's cold. Ah!
It actually was better this time.
I know.
That's so weird.
Here, dry it over there. Okay.
Wait, we need to get the finishing. The finishing product.
What's the finishing product?
The flip bar with my fanny on it.
Oh yeah, are you gonna...